Today on This Guy's Garage, we're going to repair and recondition some upholstery on a Ford Ranger. Mount me, we're going to bring it in. So, have a little wear here, so I'm going to take this seat apart and we're going to take it into the upholsterer that I dealt with on my motorhome seats and get him to fix them up, and we'll throw these seat covers in the washing machine and make them look like new. So this is where we're going to get started. We're going to take the seats out and I'm going to take them apart, and while the seats are out, we'll be able to give this mat that's on the floor a good scrubbing, make it look good, and that's where we're going to start. Taking the chair out's a fairly simple process, just for 14mm bolts. Next, we have the front seat. Take the bolts out. The seat will come out. Next, we disconnect the electronics in the seat. Push that button there. The chair from the bottom side. We still got a lot to take apart on these seats to take the upholstery out, but there's things you want to be mindful of when you're disconnecting things, like this explosive charge canister that tightens up the seat belt in case of an accident. This is in here, so just be mindful of that. Be careful. Removing the seat upholstery, this is where you start. It all locks at the bottom. Get the front clips, get the side clips, take the seat apart. Now when you're taking this upholstery off, you've got to be very careful. Lots of sharp edges there. This will cut you. It's as sharp as a razor. So, continue to take it off. Got the seats apart. Got them removed from their frames. And so the next step, we're going to get these sewn back up. Fix the hole there. And we're going to put them in the washing machine and try to make them look as good as possible. Okay, now that we got the seats taken apart, we're going to take them in to see Mike Bonaparte at Bonaparte's Upholstery and see if we can get them fixed up. I'm here with Mike, and he fixed up these seats, and he's just going to tell us what he did.
I opened the seam up, sewed them, and then French seamed them with nylon thread to make sure they'd hold. And that's how simple it was.
Thank you very much. And I don't want to get into prices, but this was cheaper than buying a set of seat covers.
Oh, way cheaper.
Yeah. Seat covers that you buy from like Canadian Tire or Walmart, they're ugly
And
and
they never fit properly.
yeah,
They always get baggy, and
Yeah.
you're always adjusting them.
yeah, they're you just can't tie them in, and
No,
they
no.
never look right.
They never look right. No,
Yeah.
no.
No, very good job. Thank you very
Oh,
much.
you're quite welcome.
This is really appreciated. Thank you.
No problem.
Thanks, Mike.
Okay.
Well, it's laundry day here in this guy's garage, and with seat upholstery, there's no better way to get it clean than to just take them seats apart and shove them in the washing machine. To get this upholstery washed, I just sprayed the gray areas with some Resolve stain remover. Use the Wife's Arm & Hammer Essentials and run it through the washing machine. Here's one of the chair covers. The seat really came nice and clean. This will show really well. Very happy with that. Here's the stitch line. Looks much better. This was the seat I was most worried about. It had a lot of staining in the gray area. I actually had to wash these a second time because they were so dirty, and the second go around I added some bleach and really cleaned these seats up good. Wow, what a huge improvement in these seats. Really happy. Well worth the effort. If you made it this far, you must be hardcore. So don't be cheap. Leave a like. The subscribe button's right there.